Let's learn Just Let Me Dance. It's choreographed by Joey Warren. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 1 and 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Just Let Me Dance. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to do a ball step, so you're going to step your left foot slightly back and next to your right. Step forward with your right. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right and sweeping your left from front to back. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. We're now going to tap our right toe next to our left, and then you're going to slightly press your right foot out to the side, but keep your weight on your left foot. We're now going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side, and cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your ball steps with and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2, we're going to tap our left toe next to our right, and then you're going to press your left toe out to the side by keeping your weight on your right foot. We're now going to do a sailor prep. So you're going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, and then step your left foot forward. You want to slightly angle your body to the left. We're now going to do a full turn. So you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping down onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to do a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. And then we're going to do a half run, turning over our right shoulder, stepping right, left, right, and you'll be at 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed over for 1. You're going to do your tap press. So it's 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 3, we're going to do camel walks forward. So we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to pop your right knee forward. Step forward with your right, pop your left knee forward. We're now going to do a mambo side, so you're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back into your right, and step your left foot to the left side. You're going to touch your right toe behind your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we rock our left foot to the left side and recover onto your right to face 12 o'clock, and we're going to do a left heel grind. Taking your left heel, placing it forward with your toe slightly angled to the right. Put your weight onto your left heel and rotate your toes to the left, and then recover onto your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our half run. For 8 and 1, you're going to do your camel walk. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to quickly step our left next to our right. We're now going to do a heel grind quarter turn. So you're going to take your right heel, place it forward with your toe slightly angled to the left. Put your weight onto your right heel as you rotate your toes to the right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder to face 3 o'clock and then recover back onto your left foot. We're now going to quickly step our right next to our left. You're going to step forward with your left foot and do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot. The step sheet says to do a coaster step, but the and 1 that ends the dance is the same and 1 that will start our dance. So you're going to step back with your right, and then when we either go into the tag or to the new wall, you'll do your and 1, 2, 3. So keep in mind that it says a coaster step to end the dance, but that and 1 is what also starts the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our heel grind. You're going to do your ball heel grind quarter turn. And 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll do your and 1, 2, 3 when we go into the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're doing your ball step, half pivot. So it's ball step, half pivot, half sweep. Behind side cross, tap press. Behind side cross, tap press. Sailor prep, half, 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 run, run, run. Camel walk, mambo side, touch behind, quarter, now your rock, quarter, recover, heel, grind, ball, heel, grind, quarter, turn, ball, half, pivot, rock, back, and then you would start over with your ball step. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, starting with your ball, half pivot, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, where we'll either go into the tag or into the next roll, depending on where we are in the dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is 32 counts. You're going to dance it twice. You'll do it at the end of wall 1, facing 9 o'clock, and then you'll do it at the end of wall 4, facing 12 o'clock. I'm going to turn to the front and do the tag so that you can see what it looks like, and then we will dance it to the side wall. So weight is on your right for section 1. We're going to do a ball step. So you're going to step your left foot slightly back and next to your right, step forward with your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, keeping your weight onto your right foot, and snap your fingers. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot, and then snap our fingers. You're going to step forward with your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, keeping your weight onto your right foot, and snap your fingers. And then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to kick our right foot forward, step your right next to your left, and then do a big step to the left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your ball step. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot next to our left. We're going to do hip bumps. But you want your hips to go forward and up. So you're kind of doing like little body rolls just with your bottom half. So we're going to push our hips forward and up. So it's hip, weights on your right foot. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right, step your right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do those same hips. So you're going to push your hips, push, push. So let's try that with some counts. Our kick was 8 and 1. You're going to step together as 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3. We're going to step back with our left foot. And as we step back with our left, you're going to do a body roll starting with your upper body. So you're going to do a body roll and then you're going to touch that right toe forward. We're now going to hold. You're going to step back with your right and touch your left toe forward, and you're going to hold. We're going to step our left next to our right, and you're going to point your right toe to the right side and hold. And then you're going to step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our hips, so you're going to do your body roll. It's 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, hold 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the tag, we're going to do a body roll to the side. So we're going to start with our head and body. You have 3 counts to put your weight onto your left foot. So we're going to roll and put your weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a ball cross. So you're going to step your right next to your left and cross your left over your right. We're going to unwind a full turn over our right shoulder, keeping your weight onto your right foot, coming back to 12 o'clock, and then you're going to point your left toe to the left side and hold. And then you'll be ready to start the dance over again, doing your ball step. So let's try that with some counts. We just pointed to the side. You're going to do your body roll. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, and then you'll be ready to start over again. So now let's do the whole thing to the front with steps, and then we'll do it to the side with counts. Weight is on your right. You're doing your ball step. So it's ball step, quarter, snap, quarter, snap, step, quarter, snap, quarter, kick, ball, side, together, bump, bump, ball, side, together, bump, bump, body roll back with the touch, hold, back, touch, hold, ball, point, hold, ball, point. Now your body roll, ball, cross, full unwind, point to the side, hold. Let's try it to 9 o'clock with the counts. Weight is on your right, you're doing your ball step. So it's and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, hold 3, and 4. Hold 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And then you'll be ready to do your and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a front-facing wall. You're going to dance all the way up until you would do your rock and your step back with your right. And all you're going to do is a 3/4 triple over your left shoulder, stepping left, right, left to come back to 12 o'clock. And you'll hit the last few beats of the song so that you can end facing the front. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tags into their next walls. Weight is on your right, you're starting with your ball step. So it's ball step, half pivot, half sweep. Behind side cross, tap press. Behind side cross, tap press. Sailor prep, half, half, half. Run, 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 camel walk, mambo, side touch back, quarter, rock, recover. Heel, grind, ball, heel, grind, quarter, turn, ball, half, pivot, step forward, go back, do your tag, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, hold 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, go into your regular dance. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, ball step, half pivot, half sweep. Behind side cross touch press. Behind side cross touch press. Sailor prep. Half, half, half. Run, run, run. Camel walk, mambo, side touch back. Quarter, rock, recover. Heel, grind, ball. Heel, grind, quarter, turn, ball. Half pivot. Rock forward, step back. Ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag. Ball step, quarter snap, quarter snap, step, quarter snap, quarter, kick, ball side, together hip, bump, ball side, together hip, bump, body roll with a touch, hold back, touch, hold ball point, body roll, ball cross, full unwind, point to the side, and hold, start over, ball step, half pivot, half sweep. Behind side cross touch press. Behind side cross touch press. Sailor prep. Half, half, half. Run, run, run. Camel walk, mambo, side touch back. Quarter, rock, recover. Heel, grind, ball, quarter, ball, half pivot, and then your romp, back, ball, step. And then you will continue on until your final wall, where you will replace that ball step with a 3/4 triple back to 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Just Let Me Dance. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I'm sick of my mind, temperature is high. I got a fever burning hotter than the sunlight. Everybody So